Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to lighten your hair in the sun. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. Now, if you want to lighten your hair in the sun, it's actually really easy to do. And I have this little head over here with hair to sort of explain what I'm talking about. So basically, all that you need is some stuff that you probably have in your fridge anyways. So essentially what you want to do is you want to start off by preparing a mixture of lemon juice and water. Now, you can sort of prepare, I've heard people say like 2 parts water, 1 part lemon juice. I've heard like half and half lemon juice, water, like equal parts lemon juice and water. It's kind of up to you, but you want to prepare a mixture of roughly half and half lemon juice and water. You could do a little bit less lemon juice than water, but like half and half seems to be a consensus, or 2 parts water, 1 part lemon juice seems to be consensus, but you can sort of do your own research for the exact partitions. But you want to prepare that mixture. Then you want to take that mixture of lemon juice and water, and then you want to put that mixture in a spray bottle. And the spray bottle hopefully will be one that sort of can produce a mist, not like a sort of like a jet, more like a mist. So get a spray bottle that will mist, okay? And then you want to take that mixture in the spray bottle and you want to spray it on your hair pretty generously. Now, you can go easy at the beginning and see how it affects your hair. That's what I would recommend. Go easy at the beginning, see how it affects your hair, and then put more on, because you can always add more on after, okay? So just, go easy at the beginning, see how it affects your hair, and then see what the results are, and then you can always add on more of the mixture after the fact, okay? Once you have the mixture sprayed on your hair, you're going to let your hair be exposed to the sun's rays for a while, okay? Some people have said about an hour. It's kind of up to you, but pay attention to like your hair lightening up, because you can always lighten it more after. Once your hair has been lightened, you can't really darken it. So yeah, you want to basically look and see if your hair is reaching the level of lightness that you want. And obviously, whenever you're dealing with sun exposure, you want to be as safe as possible. Put on sunscreen and stuff like that. Do whatever you need to do to use your safety sense of mind with regards to sun exposure. But yeah, you want to get your hair that has the mixture on it exposed to the sun. Excuse me. Once you've exposed your hair to the sun and you're happy with how much it's lightened for that session or for that amount of time, then you just rinse the mixture out of your hair. And that's basically it. You basically are putting a lemon juice and water mixture in your hair. You're letting the sun hit that lemon juice and water mixture within your hair, and it will lighten it up. That's how you lighten your hair in the sun. It's that simple. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.